What's up YouTube? My name is Smithy and welcome to my channel. This channel focuses on truck and travel videos, but sometimes we mix it up and we do a few other things. In this video, I bought a few products that I want to show you and they're really inexpensive. Are you in the market for a new car? Or maybe you love your car and you just want to spruce it up a little bit. Well, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's get to it. Are you the type of person that likes to ride with your windows down? Yeah, me too. Then I got a product for you. These are called rain guards or wind deflectors. They go around your window and they're relatively cheap. You can get a decent set for about 20 bucks, but they do get relatively expensive at like $90. You can get them really wide, you can get them really slim, you can get them low profile, in channel, out channel. These are out channels, so what that means is it goes around your window. The end channels actually go in your window. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install these. The first thing you gotta do is just unpackage everything. All right, so here are your wind channels. The reason why people get these is because, are you the type of person that likes ventilation in your car, or you want some fresh air? That's what these are for. Or you wanna crack your window at night without anybody knowing your windows are down. That's why I like them, because I can get a fresh breeze while I'm sleeping in my car at night. These allow you to do that, and it's relatively simple to put on depending on your make and model. Depends on how many you'll get. These are 4, 2 for the front, 2 for the backs. They come with alcohol pads to clean the window where you're about to put it, because you don't want to put these on dirt and then the dirt fall off and then the wind channel will not see it anymore. Instructions, you don't even need them, just throw them away. Yeah, let's go ahead and put these on. These are going on my 2012 RAV4. These go on the outside, so this black part right here, and channels actually go inside your window. And you see how dirty my finger is? That's why you get the alcohol pads. Here's the wind channels. First thing you want to do is just step to the side for a minute and grab your alcohol pads, or they're called prep pads. They actually wrote alcohol pads. Open up one, and what you'll do is just clean it up. It ain't got to be perfect. I go down this too, because some of these actually go down the side view mirrors. So that's one. See how dirty that is? So make sure you clean them. Do the same thing to the other ones. It's a little bit cold outside, so you can see it's still a little wet. But in the summertime, it's wintertime right now, they don't dry as quick. So just take a nice cloth and then dry them off. After you get it dry with your cloth, just find the one that matches your mirror. See, this don't match the mirror. The big part goes towards the back, and then the point goes around the side mirror. That's not it. So this one, you see, like it'll sit right over top of it. All you got to do now is you got to take off this double-sided tape. Just take off all that tape. See, that's the first one. I kind of matched the very top of this to the very top of the black frame on the door. And all you're going to do is just go down it with pressure over and over again. If you have a heat gun in the winter time, it'll probably help. You can run the heat gun and push, but this will be fine too. The back ones are pretty similar. They got the double-sided tape on the back. These have their own design too for each side, so just find the one that matches up perfectly. This is the flat side right here, and it's more pointed on the back. If I flip to the other one, it won't match up on the window. So just match them up right, take double-sided tape off, put it on, push it down, and you're good to go. There you go. They're all nice and slimline. Just go back around and press down all of them. Make sure the double-sided tape is sticking to your vehicle. And this window is down quite a ways, so you can't even see it. And it wouldn't be a project if I didn't cut myself. These are the cheap ones. I think I bought these for like 15 bucks. So the plastic's really sharp. When I ran my finger across the top, it gouged me a little bit. So go ahead and clean up all your trash, cycle if need be. Yeah. Are you one of these people that have one of these big old fold up window covers like this? You gotta actually take your time and get it in there perfect, and it takes a good minute to put it in. This isn't even for this car, this is for my 4Runner. Are you one of these people Well, I got a better product for you. Check this out. All right, so the next product I have for you is the shade. It compacts into itself, so you don't have to put anything away. You don't have to roll anything up. They make a 17 inch, a 19 inch, 20 inch, 21, 23, and 25. So whatever your model, they have one of these for you. What I recommend is going to their website, putting in your car's information, and then finding the size that you need for your car, going to Amazon, eBay, somewhere else, and actually purchasing one. You can purchase it from their website, but it comes a lot faster if you get it from like Amazon. And this is what you get. If you've ever watched my channel before, you have seen these in my car. Look how small it is. It says it's at the thickest point, it's 1.5 inches. So it stows away really, really nicely. And this is what it looks like. It covers your whole window. And then it stows up just like this. What comes in the kit is an alcohol pad to clean your windshield. Some instructions, which again, you don't need. And then these are the clips that actually sit on your windshield. So let's go ahead and put this on. That's what you want to do, is get in the passenger seat, orient it like this. Take your little hooks, orient it so it goes down. So put it on, put this next one on, and then you're good to go with that. So once these two clamps are on, go ahead and just do a test fit. So try and find a good point where you want it and open it a few times to make sure it's level. What I do is I kind of measure the top here with the black on the windshield where the windshield stops, and I also try and get it as close to the black on the right side as I possibly can. So I measure it out, I check it out. You can take the rear view mirror off if you want, but it's not necessary because it'll go around it. So right there is about where I want it. And then take off the double-sided tape. Got my knife. All right, after you do the passenger side, hop over to the driver's side, and you'll have one more of these clamps right here. Grab your window shade, stick it on with it, so you push it down, just like that, and then just see where you want it over here. Again, I try and align it so the black on the top with the black on the frame, and as soon as you find your spot, take off your double-sided tape, and then stick the bracket on the windshield. Now you don't have to fumble with the windshield cover. Just grab it with one hand or one finger, slide it over, put it in the thing, and then you're done. The good thing about this one is it blocks out a lot of radiation, so it keeps your car cool. It gives you privacy, and it's really simple to put away. Just put your window visors up, pop it out of the clamp, slide it over, and it clips right in, and then you're good to drive. All right, so what I bought is some WeatherTech floor mats. As you can see, they're very nice, and they're already shaped like the vehicle. WeatherTech takes so much pride in their precision. That's the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. I got them backwards for some reason. And the reason why I'm replacing these is because, all right, so I bought these when I first got the vehicle. They're factory floor mats, and look how dirty it is. There's dirt along the side. It's not anything protected up here. It's not protected back there. So I bought some new ones to actually protect the flooring and carpet, because look at that, it's dirty. Let's go ahead and install them. When you're installing the new floor mats, you have to take out the old ones, or the new floor mat won't stick and it'll be sliding around, causing your gas pedal to get stuck, your brake pedal to get stuck, and can cause an accident. All right, so I'm gonna start on the passenger side because the passenger side's literally just a drop in. The driver's side's easy too. It's just the passenger side, there's no clips. So literally all you do is put it in, push it up, and then literally it'll conform to everything in your vehicle. This is with the new WeatherTech format in. Conforms, well, it's cold outside, so it's not perfect right now because it's cold and they're new, but it conforms to the whole area. I just wish that logo wasn't there. The only thing different with the driver's side is these little clips right here. There's 2 of them. They're just aligning marks so that way your floor mat don't slide up and slide down when you're driving, because this sees a lot more action than the passenger side, so they don't need any hooks. This makes it so it don't move. So same as the other side, go ahead and slide it in. And then push the clips in just like that. Now you're good to go. Again, they're very precise on their measurements, but as soon as it starts to heat up, the rubber will kind of flex and then it'll like fall into place. The next product I recommend is getting yourself a nice set of all-terrain tires. No, this doesn't mean you're gonna go off-terrain, you're gonna go four-wheeling, you're gonna go get muddy. This just means you have extra security on loose gravel, on the road when it's wet or when it's snowing or ice. This gives you that extra security. I would recommend getting snow rated all-terrain tires. It doesn't affect your fuel economy, it doesn't affect your handling of your car. It just gives you that added security of getting in and out of places safely, and they don't cost any more than any other set of tires. And what makes these so safe is the tread on the tire. I'm a very, very big fan of BFG. So as you can see, BFG Goodrich. But these are more car friendly or SUV friendly because of their aggressive tread pattern. But what I mean by snow rated tires is there's a snowflake on it. See that snowflake in the triangle? These are rated safely on snow and ice. Doesn't mean it's gonna make you a better driver. It just means you can control it a little bit better.